In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an approval task in Asana. An approval task is really useful whenever you need someone to formally review and either approve, request changes, or reject a piece of work. Instead of just having a normal task with a comment that says looks good, you'll have a clear status that everyone on the team can see. Let's walk through how to turn a regular task into an approval task, step by step. First, open your Asana project and go to the list, board, or view where your task lives. Take a moment to find the specific task that you want someone to approve. This could be anything like a design mockup, a document, or a final draft. Once you've located it, hover over that task and right-click on it. Right-clicking will open a small context menu with several options related to that task. From this menu, look for the option that says Convert To. This is Asana's way of letting you change the type of task without having to recreate it from scratch. Go ahead and click Convert To. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse slowly through the menu options until it appears, as it might be grouped with other advanced options depending on your view. After clicking Convert To, you'll see a small list of different task types you can switch to. One of these options will be Approval. This is exactly what we need. Click on Approval. As soon as you do this, Asana will convert that regular task into an approval task. Once it's converted, you'll notice a few visual changes in the task details. The task will now have approval-specific statuses such as approved, changes requested, or rejected. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check the task title and description so that the approver has all the context they need. Add any relevant files, links, or attachments that the person reviewing it should look at. You should also make sure the task is assigned to the correct approver and that it has a realistic due date. This helps avoid delays and keeps your workflow on track. If needed, you can @mention other teammates in the comments to provide extra context or to let them know that something is now waiting for approval. And that's it. You've successfully turned a normal task into an approval task in Asana, giving your team a clear